arbitrationagreements.org. So I'm here to discuss two interesting topics that are reshaping how we resolve disputes: mediation and arbitration. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low whenever problems occur. You may have heard these terms floating around, especially if you've ever been involved in a disagreement that you did not want to take to court. Let us dive into understanding what these terms mean and how they are beneficial. First off, mediation. Imagine a situation where two parties are in disagreement. Instead of battling it out in a court, they sit down with a neutral third person, known as a mediator. This mediator helps them communicate, understand each other's perspective, and guide them towards a resolution. The best part about mediation: the solution is not imposed on them. They come to it together. This often results in more satisfactory outcomes and better relationships afterward. Now, arbitration is a tad bit different. Here, the neutral third person, the arbitrator, listens to both sides and then makes a decision. The parties in disagreement agree beforehand to abide by this decision, making it legally binding. It is like having a private judge to make the call. Now, why are we even talking about these? Why not just go to court, right? Well, here are some interesting stats for you. In the last decade, we have seen that cases that opt for mediation or arbitration are resolved about 50% faster than those that go through the regular court system. Additionally, the costs associated with alternative dispute resolution, or ADR, are on average 60% lower than traditional litigation. And here's something to think about concerning the emotional and mental toll. Court cases can be long, draining, and stressful. With mediation or arbitration, the environment is more relaxed and focused on collaboration. This significantly reduces the stress and strain on everyone involved. So remember, mediation and arbitration are not just fancy legal terms. They are effective, efficient, and empathetic ways to resolve disputes. They save time, money, and most importantly, they prioritize the well-being of the people involved. It makes sense then that more and more people are turning to ADR instead of traditional litigation. If you ever find yourself in a sticky situation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think of mediation and arbitration? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.